Hello class! Finally we learned all about PowerPoint. Today we will learn how to show result of your presentation digitally or paper-based. Let's start then. Microsoft PowerPoint provides 5 different views in which I can create and organize my slides. First one is Normal View. Normal View is default view that is currently appearing on the screen. In Normal View, you can work on one slide at a time, and you can make any kind of change in this view. To activate Slide Sorter view, click on Slide Sorter button located on the bottom right of the screen. In the Slide Sorter view, all slides appear in smaller size. In this view, you can change order of your slides and add transitions effect. And also we have Outline View. You can find it from View tab. Outline View show all the slides along with the body text, and you can edit the text and change the position of the slide. Let me edit text. Instead of word table, write list. As you see, our word has changed. And change order of the slide. Also, we have Reading View. In this view, one slide will appear at a time. However, you will not able to make any change to the presentation. And finally, we have Slideshow View. As you see, in the right bottom of your screen, you can see Slideshow button. You can click to make slideshow, or we have Slideshow tab also. As you see, you can start slideshow from beginning, from current slide, etc. From beginning means starting slideshow from first slide. You can click to this button, or we have shortcut for it, F5, as you see. Let's click F5. And we have some keys for going through slides. When I press keyboard and we will go to the last slide. And when I press to the home, it will go for first slide. For going second slide, we should press keyboard page down. For previous, we can press page up. For ending slideshow, we can press escape. You can start your slideshow from current slide also. Let's select third slide and press current slide button, or you can just use shortcut Shift plus F5. Let's use shortcut Shift F5. As you see, slideshow starts from third slide. It's all about views. PowerPoint presentations are designed to be presented to audience, but sometimes you need print them too. That's why it's important to understand the basics of printing and also options that are unique for PowerPoint. To get started, go ahead and navigate to the Backstage view and press Print. In the left pane, you can find everything you need for printing, including a preview and place to adjust your settings. Enter number of copy and press print button. But before we do that, why don't we pause and take a look at the sum of the options below. You can also enter custom slide range if you are working with a large presentation and only want to print part of it. Otherwise, print all default will work just fine. Next step is print layout, where you can decide how your slides are going to be arranged on printed page. Let's take a look closer what some of these options mean. Full page slide is default. As you can see from the preview on the right, this will print each of your slides on its own separate page. If we click Notes page, on the other hand, the printed out will include any notes that you have added. These options can be useful if you plan to actually use your notes while you are presenting. Going back to the menu, the next option is called Outline. This one is unique because it prints just the text on your slide instead of the slide themselves. Some presenters like to use this as guide to help them remember the flow of the presentation. Finally, we have wide variety of the handouts to choose from. This works very well if you want to give your audience a hand copy of the presentation. I like the layout that has 3 slides because it includes a space for people to write their own notes and comments. You can change orientation as well. As you know, we have 2 types: portrait orientation, as you see now on preview, or landscape orientation. As you see, it's landscape. One of the last things I'm going to do is switch from full color to the grayscale, which can really save on printer ink. When you are ready, go ahead and click the print button at the very top of the pane. Now you have just to wait for your presentation to finish printing. That's all about outputting. See you guys!